5 things you need to know about web hosting before you sign up for an account. Building a website is not difficult, but some hosting related terminology and concept can be confusing. These basic web hosting tips will help you get up to speed. Web hosting may be internet's most underappreciated element. Everything you love about being online, articles, tweets, websites, online gaming, Netflix content lives on server that an individual or company pays to keep up and running so that you can access it. In short, web hosting is an invisible, essential element of the online experience. If you are considering, say, launching a website, there are several basic web hosting that you should be familiar with before starting the project. All thought its reliability, easy to sign up and use provider supplied web hosting builder software to create an attractive functional front end, and there are a lot of related terms and concepts to warp your head around, as you will soon see. Some of the confusion, if not outright contradiction, here's what you need to know about web hosting before opening the account. There are a big difference between hosting types. If you have spent any amount of time on a web host website, you are probably seen terms like shared VPS, detected cloud, WordPress, and reseller. They they represent the different web hosting types, but not every web hosting offers them all. Plus, the hosting types differ from one another in significant ways. Nearly every web host offers shared hosting, the cheapest from a web hosting. With shared hosting, your website share a server and server resources with many other sites. If you want to keep your web hosting budget small and do not expect much traffic, shared hosting is the way to go. You should you should expect to pay less than $10 per month for this web hosting type. This level of hosting is really best suited for small sites. They do not need a huge amount for other site. You are sharing resources with other sites. You should be prepared for the associational should one of your site made start attracting a lot of visitors. Free web hosting is available if you are on a tight budget, but it comes with own caveats. Larger business that expect big traffic to their site should pick VPS or detected hosting, each of which offers increasingly powerful server space. VPS hosting is like a high powerful version of shared hosting. Expect that for favor website share or servers resources which are also a bit more suggested. VPS hosting costs more than shared hosting, but you should pay less than $100 if you interested. Then you buy a hosting. Hard disk drive, solid state drive trade off. If you are looking to sign up for a shared web hosting, I will likely receive real estate on traditional hard disk drive HDD server. The advantages of an HDD based server is that it can offer large storage amount of the chip. As you more the hosting ladder to more powerful options such as VPS and detective. Web host will give you the option to build a site on the solid state drive SSD. SSD based server or lightning fast storage units. As SSD technology is still pretty pricey, so your SSD based servers typically carry much smaller storage totals that HDDs. Your